So hello, I have here a set of Schaublin B8 collets with an extended nose, or sometimes they call them the long nose. They're new old stock. They come with a wooden block. So these are the normal size watchmaker collets. This is 0.3. There's the Schaublin logo. So the shaft is 8mm. And all the sizes you can find in the Schaublin documentation here. Let's show that. These are the long nose versions of these B8 collets. Here are the sizes, so the thread is the same as what we know from Schaublin B8. This is the 7295 type. Yeah, let's show another one. This is the 0.4. They are a little bit greasy, but never used. And these collets are made, for example, for the Hauser machines, the Hauser M1 and the other Hauser. This is the 0.5. The 1.9. So this is the 0.6. Yeah, I will put all the dimensions or all the colors, all the sizes in the advertisement text. Yeah, thank you for watching.